Let's start in the seated pose. Right leg in front of the left leg. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right. Just lift the spine long, crown of your head to the sky, gaze to the right. Back arm back and to the twist. Breathe. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, other side. Twist to the left. Spine long. Breathe. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend to the right. Right arm to the mat, the other arm overhead. Breathe. Sit. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend to the other side. Moving the spine. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, just butterfly. Solo your feet together. Open your knees. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward inside of your legs and breathe here. Option to move your neck to one side and then the other side. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, come to a seated pose. Left leg in front of the right leg. Cat and cow pose. Just inhale, gaze up. Exhale, round your back, chin to your chest. Inhale up. Exhale. Let's continue cat and cow pose. Breathing. Every time that you go up, you inhale, and then when you bring your chin to your chest, you exhale. Do it at your own pace. Cat and cow. Come back to center, and let's come to sitting into your heels. You can sit in a block. This is not comfortable for you. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, send your arms back. Interlace your fingers. Chest is up, knuckles on the mat, gaze up and breathe. Stretching your arms, your chest. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, eagle arms. Right arm under the left arm. Wrap your hands. Inhale, elbows up, chest up. Exhale, chin to your chest, elbows to your chest. Option to move your neck to one side and then the other side. Other side. Inhale, arms up. Eagle arms in the other side. Left arm under the right arm. Wrap your hands. Inhale, bring your chest up, gaze up, elbows up. Exhale, chin to your chest, elbows to your chest. Option to move your neck. Release your hands. Inhale, bring your arms up, and exhale. Let's do open the legs wide. Forward fold, seated wide forward fold. Open the legs. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fingertips back. Press to your fingertips. Shoulders back. Inhale, exhale, fold forward between your legs. Let's start to meditate. Just find a nice, comfortable seated pose. Close your eyes. Make that spine long. And just start to find yourself. With your eyes closed, check how your body feels today. Nothing to change, just to be aware of what you're feeling. Allow yourself just to be and breathe. Let's inhale. Open mouth, exhale. Just a reminder today, it is not what we have in life, but who we have in our life that matters. It is time to come back. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to you.